The former public protector said South Africans should not forget that Zuma sold the country to the Guptas. As the country prepares for the national and provincial elections, former public protector Thuli Madonsela has warned South Africa against voting for corrupt politicians in next month's poll, saying that if the likes of former President Jacob Zuma were brought back to the public office, they'd bring the country into total collapse. The elections scheduled for 29 May is expected to be the most hotly contested poll since the dawn of the democracy 30 years ago. Madonsela told the ENCA that if the likes of former President Jacob Zuma were to be brought back to the public, they'd bring the country into total collapse, and said, "For me it sounds bizarre as somebody who was in the ANC and knowing that MK is not owned by any person. Just from an ethics point of view, I'm not shocked by President Zuma. I'm also shocked by the decision of the IEC to decide that if a court of law decided that if he's sentenced 15 months by a remission of sentence, the president has not overruled a court of law and his sentence is shorter." Madonsela said she's shocked by the decision because it violates the principle of the separation of powers, and said, "It reminds me of a time under apartheid when Parliament created a High Court of Parliament to overrule the Supreme Court of South Africa. For us as South Africans, we should not forget that he is a person who has refused to obey the Constitution. We should not forget that he is a person who sold the country to the Guptas and repurposed many of our state entities to do the work and enrich his family and the family of Guptas. The people of South Africa should not forget that, because if he does come back into power, he will do just that. He will finish that job." The Umkhonto weSizwe Party told the Citizen News that they are not surprised by Thuli Madonsela's attack on Zuma, citing Zuma's Nkandla Homestead investigation and an incomplete state capture report, and said her target was to tarnish the man Jacob Zuma. "We are not surprised that she is again lying on public media, saying former President Zuma sold the country to the Guptas without mentioning the price and how much did they buy it back from the Guptas and who bought it back." Her hatred for President Zuma stems from her paymasters. She has no rationale of her work, but only carrying out mere transactional instructions. South Africans should never take her seriously. She is a liar, a product of white capitalist media who is shivering to wake up to the realities that Jacob Zuma is coming back to the Union buildings. Earlier this month, Zuma emphasized that he had lingering matters from his time in office, contending that he never finished his second term as a president. He was addressing the supporters outside the electoral court and said, "When a lot of people say they want a certain person, who's going to say no? How can they deny democracy when it's in Constitution? That's what the Constitution states. That boy from Nkandla never finished his 2 terms. He didn't complete them. I'm not a part of that group because I didn't finish my term. If the people want me to serve, no one can stop me. They forget that I didn't finish my term. I was removed before completing my term. There's something I need to finish there."